Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI Honor Play 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, find calendar and open it. Then pick a date, for example that one, and click at the bottom left corner. Over here, click More, add a title, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, add reminder and many other things. When you're done, tap at the top right corner and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, click on it, choose delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!